What is up, ladies and gents? Everyone else, Slappy here with ETM 540 Clubhouse, and we are at the Henderson Harley-Davidson. We are actually coming in to grab some service items for Grim Jim's new motorcycle that he just received and got. And I figure we might as well walk you through this place just because it's a Vegas Harley dealership. I mean, technically it's Henderson and there is an actual Vegas location, but still, I'm just saying, like, it's kind of fun to walk through new places and check things out if you don't have a chance to come by something like this for yourself. So let's go see what this place is all about, and in the process we will get Grim Jim all the stuff he needs. But if you know, you know, get on a Harley, meet some people, it's fun. All right, so they made it super easy because at the dealerships they have what's called like tune-up boxes, like tune-up kits basically. Here, let me show you. We just came straight up to the service desk, started talking to homie over here, and straight up he just was going through the whole rundown, and he happened to have one right behind the counter. Happened to have one right behind the counter. And he happened to have one right behind the counter. So check this out.
Out of here. Yes, 100%. People want that.
Right there, Sports Track Sale, 2050.
Is it? Even if I got to put a little work into it?
100%.
Full kit.
I don't know enough about it, you know what I'm saying?
Makes it easy right there. That's going to be a simple deal. And we were actually showing him pictures of the bike that he got, and he was even saying that is something that he would buy and get just for the sake of having another little cool classic cruiser. So, but we'll show you guys that in another video as we're doing the tune-up and whatnot. But I figured for now, we'll go ahead and walk around and show you guys just some of the newer bikes they have out and do a little cruise around. So, yeah. All right, well, Grim has got everything he needs. So I'm gonna take you guys around here. We'll see what's new and what's going on. What we can't afford for now, just saying. And then, yeah, we'll head out. Pretty sure these are the new road glides. That's the CVO. A little bit big for me, but beautiful bikes if you want to go on some long touring stuff. Definitely love the Pan Americas. Beautiful bikes. That Army Green is sick. Nice little Captain America bike. I think these are some newer Road Kings, I believe, without the windshields. Oh yeah. Ooh, is there buttons? There is buttons. Oh, gotta love buttons. Nice. I'm gonna get kicked out just for this. Oh, more buttons. I like that. What are you, did someone break you? Oh, geez. That's beautiful. I love it. Oh, one more. Nice. Oh. Love the covers on that. I'm loving these tanks. I don't know how you guys feel about them, but I think they're awesome. This old ode to the EAMF days, I think is pretty amazing. And then these are my favorite, the Lowrider STs. yeah. Whoa. I mean, the design. I was looking at the design. Old school. Got a nice little setup. I like it over here. Got some great gear. Their little merch area is quite sweet. Very cool store. Very, very cool. They got Belle Biv DeVoe going. It's Poison. All right. Let's do this, homie. Let's hit it. Well, if you need service. Boom. All right, we're out of here.
Satan's butthole out here.
So there you go. Quick little tour of the Henderson Harley-Davidson. Freaking great people. Super nice in there. Super knowledgeable. Awesome stuff. Come stop by. But thanks again for joining us. I know that was a quick one, but it was something that I've been wanting to do, and we got other stuff to get done, so we're gonna get freaking jamming. It's hot out. He's already getting in the car, starting the AC. Thanks for joining us. Check out everything in the description, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, it's too much. I gotta get out of here. Oh my goodness. Oh. Say goodbye, Grim.
Goodbye, Grim.
He probably just shit his pants.
I just shit my pants.